What's up, y'all, man? This is the last thing that I'm making for today. Crushing all 3 Fords today, 2 trucks, and the Grand Marquis. Crushing all these today. I done crushed quite a few cars today, man. I'm tired. My ground man, I know he's tired. Man, it's been a long, hot, sweaty day, man. That's all it been for me, a long, hot, sweaty day. What the hell is all off in there? There we go. Shit. Half the time you don't even know what the hell these guys be putting up off in here, man. It be so much full of damn trash. Can't even tell what's off in here or not. Last thing will be this Grand Marquis. That will be the last thing that I'm crushing today. I done made 2 loads. Actually, 2 loads in 1 bundle for today, man. All the hard work done paid off. I'm tired, man. I don't even want to push the brakes no more, man. I'm so damn tired right now. I don't feel like opening it all the way up neither. All of these damn things, man, is filling up with so much damn trash. I'm surprised my crusher is crushing it down. My crusher has been overworking itself all day today just to get these loads. I mean, just to get some of these bundles just to crush down correctly. Man. my last heavy stack for today. till tomorrow or Monday. All right, man. I'll holler at you guys.